Hey there, photo fans. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the final step in our workflow, creating an HD or stunning 4K slideshow from your images using 4Clicks Media Manager, complete with batch processing to speed things up. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to properly prepare your images, adjust key settings, and pick up a few helpful tips for editing and viewing your video for the best experience. Let's jump in. Step 1. Prepare your images. Before you create the video, a little prep goes a long way. Some steps are required, while others are highly recommended. Mandatory steps. These must be done or your slideshow may fail. Only JPEG files are supported. So if your images are in HEIC or PNG format, use the app's built-in converter under the Utilities tab to batch convert them to JPEG. This helps prevent errors during video generation. The video engine also expects file names like 0001.jpg, 0002.jpg, and so on, all stored in the same folder. Without this, it won't be able to assemble them into a video. Fortunately, the app includes a tool to rename files either by their original dates or randomly. In short, you'll need to use a clean, properly formatted folder like the one shown here as your input folder to be successful with this task. Now for some optional but highly useful enhancements. First, resize images and fix aspect ratio. Make sure every image fits perfectly. Resize them all to 1920 by 1080 for HD or 3840 by 2160 for 4K. This prevents black bars or distorted visuals during playback. If you skip this, the engine will use the dimensions of the first image for the entire video. Second, sort by year, location, or orientation. Want a themed slideshow like Italy Vacation 2025? Use the app's sorting tools to group your photos by date, GPS location, or by portrait versus landscape orientation. It saves time and keeps your story coherent. Third, add watermarking. If you'd like to brand your video, add a watermark. But make this the last step in image preparation, as watermarking removes image metadata, which can break your sorting or renaming logic. These three preparations are all part of the full workflow shown here, and the app includes batch tools to automate each one. Step 2. Adjust video settings. Now that your images are ready, let's walk through the key video settings. Setting 1. Input FPS, frames per second. This controls how long each image stays on screen. For example, setting it to 0.5 means each image will appear for 2 seconds. For a more relaxed pace, try 0.25 or 0.2. Setting 2. Output FPS. This controls the smoothness of the final video. Here's a tip. For slideshows, match the output FPS to the input FPS to avoid any frame drop or skips. Setting 3. Bitrate. Bitrate affects both video quality and file size. Higher values mean better quality. For 4K videos, aim for 8,000 to 12,000 kilobits per second. For 1080p, 4,000 to 7,000 usually works well. Setting 4. Max rate and buffer size. These settings limit bitrate spikes and help ensure smooth playback. Set max rate to roughly the same as your target bitrate and set the buffer size to about double that value. For example, if your bitrate is 10,000, set max rate to 10 or 11,000 and buffer size to 20,000. One quick note about audio. The app doesn't include background music support, but no worries. You can easily add audio later in a video editor or directly in YouTube using their royalty-free music library. Step 3. Run the task. Let's see how it all works in a live demo. First, head to the Videos tab and select the task we've been talking about. You'll see the same settings we just reviewed. The default values are a great starting point for a clean 4K slideshow. Check out the Tips section on the right. It's packed with helpful reminders. Next, browse to your Input folder. Just make sure to select the entire folder, not individual files. Then choose your Output folder, name your video, and hit Run Task. That's it. A progress bar will show you how it's going. When it finishes, the app generates a summary report so you can verify everything ran smoothly. Quick heads up, the time it takes depends on your computer and the number of images. If it's running slowly or throwing errors, try using fewer images or switching to a more powerful machine. Step 4. Edit and view your video. Now that your slideshow is done, let's talk about polishing and playback. Editing your video. For quick trims, minor edits, and adding music, free tools like Canva, Adobe Premiere Rush, Clipchamp, or OpenShot work great. For more advanced editing, like transitions, titles, or effects, consider professional tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve Studio. Viewing and playback. VLC Media Player is a fantastic choice. It handles 4K videos smoothly and lets you override the aspect ratio settings, great for eliminating black bars. If you're watching on a larger screen, a standard HDMI cable is fine for HD. But for 4K resolution at typical refresh rates, use an HDMI 2.0 or newer cable to ensure reliability. Sharing to YouTube. YouTube is perfect for sharing videos with family, friends, fans, or clients, and they'll stay online indefinitely. After uploading, you can trim, blur, or add background music directly in YouTube using their built-in editor. And that's it. A complete walkthrough of how to use 4Clicks Media Manager to turn a folder of photos into a stunning HD or 4K slideshow. Whether you're a content creator, hobbyist, or just want to show off family memories on a big screen, this is a great way to create a slideshow that looks amazing and plays smoothly. If this helped you out, give it a like or hit subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching and happy slideshow making!